What's going on? Rich DeMuro here, Rich on Tech, taking a look at the iPhone 11 Pro. This is the standard or smaller version, the 5.8-inch screen. Look on the back, there you have it, the brand new lenses. You've got the wide, you've got the telephoto, and the ultra-wide lenses, which lets you do some really cool things with your pictures. So again, while you're taking a picture, you can now pop from the regular lens that you normally notice all the way into a wide angle. Look at that, that is so cool. And then we can go into a nice zoom in there. That is just amazing. And of course you have your other photo options as well. That is awesome. Look at that wide angle. Oh, that's going to afford you so many new ways to do things. Otherwise, just take a look at the sides. You've got the same buttons on the side. You've got the lightning connector on the bottom and the Siri button.